for example, that you can make an nebsh which first you have to show me your room. First, you can make room or the show. That's my room. Okay, show me the main entrance of your room. The room main entrance. मतलब door board. Okay, yeah, मतलब that usually door side again. Then you said to most of students there is something like that sort of question. So that's your door that came in yes, main entrance that came in. He said did about a page here. The soup, what yes, like might there will be a person who is just providing some sort of cheating. So that's why the examiner are giving this sort of instruction to sit in front of the main entrance. So they will just clearly observe the door and who is entering and who is doing exit to that door. So yes. By introduction to that question, we can mostly ceiling show me this setting up your room या मतलब वो एक corners रात होता है mobile वहीं सा good के लगा ना thus the instruction चिकन the examiner ताला सिंह करके नॉला बता follow okay या मतलब ता तू you have to just keep your both hand on your face and slowly and gradually remove it मतलब वो इतना ना सुनो को मत कर और slow से remove करो सही ना नदास मतलब अभी सिर्फ दे दे परा चीज़ आया integrity stars चिट्टी जरा आया टेस्ट ला खपला नास या मतलब दास ये आई सिस्टम वगैरह दास उसे कोई नहीं नदा किस्मा इन बताओ कि वो शी first test आया ये दो कि वो शी मुझे कल दा complete शी या मतलब start test सही दा start test बस introduction की questions होती situational role play और बस ये second की कमें introduction की questions ता खत्म शी और बस ये ता तो ये okay this is the second part of your test I will give some sort of situation and we will have a role play on that. Like for example, examiner Tatui, okay, imagine we both are strangers and we are standing on a bus station and the bus become late. So now you have to start the role play. You sing the bus that game.
In that time I'm waiting for
the board, okay, mister. The bus is coming. The bus is becoming late. Why don't we arrange some taxi or cab to just go for our job or for duty? Yes, that's a good idea. But I'm having a lack of money. I'm not having much dollar. So would you just give me some borrow for that, and you will pay instead of me tomorrow? I will return that. Yes, it will be great. But you know, I also lost my pocket in my home, and I'm just having $10. And $10, I will arrange a taxi, and if we will split the money tomorrow, you will give me and you will return my money. And I said, yo, salute the Zaman that in this situation you will blame on a baruch. Say it? Safety? Safety. मतलब पता है बाने स्टा खबरूश
and be bold, be confident. Confident is
yes, you're supposed to be confident. تعرف صار لما نشتغل ليه أنا أشتغل Poetry, मतलब अगर situational role play that عشان تعرف دركي from might he will give you one situational role play and if the time is short so might he will give you second situational role play for just continuing the situational role play for the part second. See that? They are basically in the third part we are having to language that is a flowchart. Flowchart की बुनियाद सर. ताता वो screen बाने flowchart show की मतलब screen बाने मतलब ये उदासी points या चीज़ें मतलब दासी दाखल और तो बोला कि बागे आपका flowchart मुताबिक बच्चे हमने तख़बर है some points here he might the examiner will ask some question regarding to that flowchart if he is not asking the question you have to continue to explain the flowchart explanation for the flowchart के और कहना examiner देना मतलब अभी से time show दी बड़ी great questions पे क्यों कि हम you know flowchart मुताबिक बताने question कई और तब ये flowchart मुताबिक चिकन दे other questions answer what again the last के चिकन दे the last part we are having for language surface that is cue card topic cue card topic बता लगा कि चला for example describe a beautiful place you recently visited मतलब have a place describe that you recently तो visit करें you know आगा last part the para तासा मतलब da permission sta ci होता 20 seconds दर की preparation the para 20 seconds दर की होता यो page बजान सर की बस आगा topic name बोली की और मतलब points बजान सर बता रहे कि नो भी आगा points ने help आ स्पेशल पर cue card के सिर्फ सही है that you can make cue card topic to explain to but that will be the end of your task.
Sir, what parts are difficult in this
You know, there isn't any sort of difficult part in the speaking test. The speaking की हिस्सा difficult नशता. उसका मतलब proper, मतलब preparation होता तो वो की practice भी तो वो की और उसका speaking ये ठीक है ना. You can just do each and everything.
And the second part of the situation was
No, it's not like difficult. Like for example, if I just told you that هذا مكتوب في مجالك परस का मुंगा द्वारा नाशना का संग यो मुंगा बाजार के मेला उशु सही था और मासरा पैसे नष्ट थे उज़ताना द कर्ज डिमांड को कम मुंगा संग खबर आता है इसका तो उनते बाज़ बताते हैं और बखैर संग चल रहा है खाई सोर के greeting first मुंगो तो या बाज़ तवे मा अलग काज़ो करूँ मतलब बाजार तरातलम या मतलब पेशावर तकलम और मान जो कम मतलब pocket समालोश शो बाटोना ना वरके शो ला उस मासरा पैसे नष्ट चीज़ कोर दलाशम no da asta मेहरबानी जी मतलब माले वो $10 का लाके के ना मतलब ये चीज़ yes no दिया मुंगे का वर्कआउट no हम मतलब मुंगो तो आओ ठीक तमाम से खबर ना दा हुआ से कि जब बाजार तरातलम وسودان بكره دروسي وزلا يو $5 راس اشتري دابا بالدرجه نبيع تزوين ما تشيلا $5 ما كان نيكي اذا بس تزان سكيت او بس بس ارينجمنت وكم من ده عشان انت خبر يا تري امي خبر يا تري دابا ذهن كراولي چلو دا ایگزامینر ما ته مخامخ ناس دي دا چې دې مطلب د سره زه کوم رول پلی کوم نو دا به ریل غني چې بس موږ ما دې په ریل کې لګیای نو چې ریل کله ته غني نو مسابقه کې چې تاسو څه خبرې مخې ته تبذیر ته کولای شئ دا ایگزامینر ماین کې نه چې دا معنا دا کوېشن مطلب روډ کو یا دا او یا نه چې کوم قسم تعالی رول پلی مطابق ریل رول پلی مطابق تعالی کوم قسم ذهن کې کوېشن راځي هغه ته ایگزامینر نوم کولای شي ایگزامینر هم کولای شي See, मतलब role play शांति व्यवस्था रहा है. It is easier kind of instead of other parts.
I think you got it easier in
Flowchart. Like for example, I will show you all of the tips, like all of the money introduction part. काम में सर बता देता. Introduction part किसी कम दे mostly the questions we. Holidays and seasons. Time examiner question is alchemist. Do you prepare seasonal holidays? Which season is suitable for holidays for you? Yes, I prepare seasonal holidays because every season has something special. Summer is great for trips because the weather is warm and there are loads of outdoor activities. You can go each and everywhere. You can enjoy the season as well as you can enjoy the weather, the environment, each and everything you can enjoy and you can do by yourself. सही ना? मतलब बल किस्म family celebration बारे किसे किस्म वो किदा ज़्यादा दा हाँ topics जी कम repeating थी. सही दा family बारे की okay. Do you prepare a small or large family? Examiner तब तक पूछो की. Do you prepare a small or a large family? ستا کوم فیملی خوښوي غټه فیملی غټ خاندان دی خوښ وي کنه وړوکی خاندان چې لږ نمبر وي
I prefer a large family because if any difficult situation came, they support me. In the last year, I have some fees in the university. My family support me in that.
That's great. That is amazing. Your answer will like in that, so you will get a high marks in that. Say that, okay. Do you enjoy traveling abroad?
Every person is enjoyed to going abroad because if you are see a first time anything you are memorizable, memorize a lot of things and also enjoy the other countries to meet the different kind of people. You are also
be able to do some sort of, what you can say, to learn something new because when you are traveling to different places, so you will be able to learn the tradition of that places, you will be able to learn the norm, the culture, each and everything you will be able to have a kind of, yes, you will meet with different type of people, so you will also learn a lot of experience from them, you will also learn a lot of knowledge from them. That's great. Now the second question we are having for introduction part, that is, which season do you like the most and why?
In the winter season I like it mostly because mostly I'm a visitor in the Kalam, so because there are a lot of beautiful places and also the other country visitors come to this place. This is That's
Very
very
good,
important.
very good. So now that was introduction question. Now come towards second part, situational role play. I will show you some sort of regarding things to situational role play, and then you will have to role play on it. Okay. Now, like for example, examiner बताता हुए shopkeeper and customer replacing a shirt. Examiner बताता हुए I am a shopkeeper, you are a customer,
Yes,
and
sir.
you bought a shirt from me, and now you want to replace that shirt. So now you start. वही मतलब ता ज़च कमने shopkeeper यम, और तो ज़बान customer इतना परुन मान यम shirt अगस्ते दे, और तो ज़वारी जागा replace की बदल की.
Yes, sir.
No
Change.
संग बता conversation start किया खबर यात्रे बसंग start किया.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Can you help me?
Can you help me? And yesterday I bought
Da urdu hello, can you help me? No, bada the response ta sabar ke.
Yes.
Yes, mister. How can I help you?
yes, yesterday I bought shirt, but unfortunately you gave me a wrong.
Yes, you give me a wrong size,
A wrong
big one
size.
size. It wasn't fit on me.
Yes,
Mhm.
it wasn't fit on me, but now I'm changed and this shirt give me. Can you show me the second one?
Yes, why not? Do you have a receipt of that shirt with yourself?
Yes, why not?
Here is it. Okay,
Here
that
is
is
it.
my receipt. Okay, so which one size would you like to replace it on?
Mostly I'm wearing 37 size, but you give me 41.
Okay, please wait for that and I will get it for you.
Yes, why not?
That's easy. That's in the situation you will play over this is the total how much Allah come out there, huh? Or that ashan. Like at this ibala situational role player okay, we are friends and you miss my birthday party. So now you start. Like मतलब मुंगा दुआना बलगरियो और ताज़ माँ birthday miss करे दास. तब संगे खबर या तेरे माँ से start के.
Well, I apologizing for you because I have some work and
I was having some like urgent work.
yeah, urgent
So
work.
that's why I missed your
I
birthday.
miss you. And your birthday, I really sorry because I miss your birthday, but inshallah in the coming birthday I will give you a gift.
That's great, amazing. Now that is a great. But you know, as I just what you can say, invited you for the party, and you also missed that interesting party. It was so good, and we all friends together. We, you know, we enjoyed a lot, and we also miss you. So, but it's okay if you were having a kind of emergency work. That will be great. So इधर में दाग शांति situational role plays that tool was that other forward come मुझे दे बाने ता practice को पे दाम में सर ये सलूट दिन से ये मतलब ये 30 भी तो तीन बाहर से दाकम notes ज़ता लगा कम करना कम introduction दी कम flowchart दी कम मतलब situational role plays दी कम cue card दी दिन और बाहर यो नरानी जिसका बटेस के दिन कम uses बाहर राले वाला नूम बदल का हाँ दिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मतलब मुंगे तब पता ही कम repeat कम मतलब mostly राजी में दास जुना मुंगे तब पता ही खास ना دا بل زدار کم دا مطلب مونږ سره situational role play شو now come towards part 3 this will be a flow chart صحیح نه دا مونږ سره flow chart ته ګورو
I share their documents.
دا مونږ سره اوس یو situational مطلب دا مونږ سره flow chart شو
Yes.
صحیح دا flow chart دا شو چې improve language skill دا ته په screen باندې دا راشي تبدي تخو ګوري چې improve language skill دا زما مطلب main topic show watch foreign films without subtitles read e-books and do role plays make 1-minute presentation on a topic do grammar exercises online write short stories using specific words دا ته مطلب hints درکړي په flow chart کې چې ته start کې okay candidate will start it's a great idea that we are focusing on ways to improve our language skill I would like to share some helpful ideas. Some main topic okay. It's a great idea to improve your language skill.
Yes,
So for improving your language skill, we are having some sort of ideas, and we are having some sort of tips for that how you will improve your language, sir. First of all, I think we have to watch the foreign films. We got a point for tonight's explain to. First of all, we have to watch some foreign films without subtitles, because if you are watching the film without subtitles, so you will focus on the conversation. So from that activity, you will be able to improve your language skill. What do you think about that? Is it good idea?
Yes, it's a good idea when you are listen any types of video like podcasts, and at any native speaker, you are easily improve your language skill, and also you are improve your pronunciation.
Very good. Nanda kashan dito the examiner number questions cover issue examiner nam tana ko cover issue da tool points board te explain ke da cover issue kana the points ta batu bodo da board ta
Yes.
slowly and gradually bakhbal speaking
What do
speaking
you
case
mean the role play? I don't
singa
role play. Do role play.
no da the improved language skill ke jitakal role plays ke
Conversation to one another. That's I said.
that why you will also this is a best idea or tips for improving your language skills.
You are face-to-face conversation to
Yes,
one another.
that will be a great Saida. Role play, just a minute, huh? Do role plays. Role plays are fun and useful, so they help you practice speaking in real life situations. They make you think and speak faster. Saida, we're gonna that's is because I explain to. Nagara shanti munga sarada kamas kam yo 10, 11. 11 मतलब flowchart is they are mostly about the student and the cookery course wala rabale politically da jiga mamunga na chonda dena na wakare munche da inshallah padi mane ta practice hu to you will be able to have the ability to pass the language test in easy way सही ना da jiga में मतलब total situation और मतलब flowchart issue da jiga में मतलब last cue card issue. Now come towards cue card. Alright. Okay. A film, describe a film you remember, the pursuit of happiness. मतलब हाँ film describe के जितना तो याद भी होता बार बार करते a celebration you attended, a photograph that brings big memories. Okay. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about a celebration I attended and explain why a photograph from that day brings big such special memories. So the celebration I want to talk about is my cousin's birthday party. And it was simple but very joyful. We played games, laughed a lot, and shared many happy moments together. As I explained, that was total structure day. No practice and tomorrow we will take a rest of class. It is going to go today.